Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So yeah, summers are here and उसके साथ साथ टैनिंग भी आ जाती है, बट हम अपने फीट की केयर उतनी नहीं कर पाते जितनी हम अपने फेस की करते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो सैलॉन्स भी इतने बार जाना इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, राइट. तो इस बार मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना पेडिक्योर जो है वो घर पे किया जाए. एंड आई हैव यूज्ड वेरी सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड जो घर पे आपको आसानी से मिल सकती है. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज टू कीप ऑन वॉचिंग एंड न्यू हियर प्लीज नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड let's
So
get
guys,
started.
first of all, I'll remove the nail paint that I've already applied on my nails. So if there is any chipped nail paint or the one that I have anyway applied, you have to remove that. And here I'm using the nail paint remover from Color Bar. This is basically a acetone free nail paint remover. So basically here is one tip that in case you're finding that your nails turn yellow after applying any kind of a nail paint remover, that's because it contains acetone. So you have to always go for acetone free nail paint remover. Moving on to the second step, I'm going to wax my feet just to remove any kind of a dirt or any hair that would be there on the feet. So this ensures that it's a first step for tan removal pedicure. So basically I'll just warm up the wax by rubbing it in between my hands, and then I'm going to use it to remove any kind of a dirt or any hair that would be there on the feet, and I'll be doing this for both of them. So here I am using the wheat wax removal strips. So moving on, in a tub I have taken some lukewarm water and added some shampoo. Also I had few rose petals, so I just added them. You can take any shampoo of your choice. And also I am using some Kyoda water just for that extra fragrance. And yeah, I mean, you can either skip it or you can also use it. And then I'll dip in my feet in the water and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, just so that all the dead skin cells, they become soft. Next, I'm taking a pumice stone and just scrubbing my heels as well as the feet, because usually the heels get cracked and that looks very bad, right? So you can also take a pumice stone, or you can also take any foot scrub, and then you can use it. Here I'm also using some lemon just to remove that extra tan that is there on the feet, and then again I'm scrubbing it like this. Next, for that extra scrub, I have taken this coffee body scrub from Mom's Therapy, and then I'm just applying it all over my feet and giving it a nice rub, so that if there are any extra dead skin cells that's still there on the feet, that would get removed easily. Okay, so the next step is one of my most favorites. It's applying a mask. Here I'm taking pink clay mask in a bowl as per my requirement, and slowly I will just spray some rose water on it till I get the desired consistency. You can use any foot mask or a clay mask of your choice. So next I'm just repeating the same process on other feet. Again I've taken some fresh water with some rose petals. Here I'm doing one thing, which is spraying some rose water on the feet while I've already dipped it in the tub. The reason is that the water was little bit hot, and doing this will help the feet to tolerate the heat. Now the next step is that the mask that I had applied on the right feet, that has already dried up, as you can see. Then I am just removing it with the help of some cold water, and I have dipped a cloth and then I have removed it. And also taking some fresh water, I am cleaning both my feet. I've repeated the process on my left one as well. And taking some tissue paper, I'm just drying it. Next, what you have to do is, in case there is any dirt in the cuticle, that you can remove with the help of pedicure tools like I have done. And lastly, do not forget to apply a foot cream. This will make sure that your heels are very soft and your feet is also moisturized throughout. This is a fun part where you can apply any nail paint of your choice.
So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this and the entire process of how I do pedicure at home. In case you like this, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. And see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.